1996 Haas VF0, 10,000 RPM spindle option, 4th axis pre-wire and drive. Serial number 8338. Programmable coolant. Ship auger. Way guards in very nice shape with wipers appearing to have been changed out at some time recently. They look in very good condition on both the X and Y axis. Tables in good condition with no markings other than just some coolant marks that can be steel wooled off. 6 leveling pads. 20 station tool changer. Brushless servos. 710 inch per minute rapids. Change the glass out on this side. It had a crack in it. There's your 4th axis drive location, the 17-pin brush style connection. Floppy disk drive. 2 RS-232 port locations. Coolant pan and pump. Air nozzle. September 1996, serial number 8338. Machine's wired low voltage 208-230. There are some control options in this machine as well. You can see all that referenced on our quote and information, whether you call us at 863-439-6066 or consult our website, www.abltechnology.com. There's your counterbalance. Sheet metal get on this side as well. Okay, we're going to run the spindle now, and we're going to do this in 1,000 RPM increments. From 1,000 at our start point, we'll go up to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, all the way up to 5,000. This is a 10,000 RPM spindle. There's 2,000 now. So we'll take it to 10 at the top end. There's 3,000. 4,000, nice and quiet. 4,000, I'm sorry, that's 5,000. 5,000 RPM. This is an inline direct drive spindle. It's not a gearbox machine. Now we're at 5. We're going to take it up to 7,500 with a jump here. 7,500, nice and quiet. And then we'll go to the top end, which is 10. 10,000 RPM. Nice, quiet sounding spindle there. Okay. Do a tool change here, run a couple through. Spindle orients nicely. Carousel comes over nice. It's a Cat 40 spindle. Cat 40 taper, I should say. Go. Okay, the rapids are set through the parameters at 50%, so this is 50% rapid x-axis movement. Sounds good. No inordinate noise going on there. Y-axis. Good. Z-axis.